If I had a ladybug,
Yeah, no.
I'd win. Good morning.
Good morning. Hello everybody.
Good morning, friends, and welcome back to the weekend vlog. It's, what's the fucking date?
Today is October 8th.
It's October 8th, it's Saturday, and we decided to come up to Seminole Nature Park for its final weekend. It always closes Thanksgiving weekend, so it is the Thanksgiving long, which is nice. Thank God Monday's a holiday. If we didn't have a long weekend this weekend, I don't know if I would actually live. So we're here. It's a bit chilly this morning,
But we're vibing.
it's a lifestyle choice. And William's continuing on and going to his cabin.
Yep.
So he's just gonna keep
Our
going.
journey's just starting.
That's why we took two separate cars. Are you going to Bear Mountain?
No, I think I gotta stop in Goobies for orange juice, and I'll get my lunch there.
Nice.
So I'm gonna go to the ramens.
I would have just, I would have detoured anyway into Clarenville for Bear Mountain. I've been thinking about making a run out for no reason soon.
Fair enough. Let me know.
I love it out there. I wish we had one in here.
Mm-hmm. It's like we don't really know most of the cafes here, and most of them are expensive anyway.
But they're not even nice.
Yeah, that's
like
right.
I'd rather drive. How far away is Clarenville? An hour and a half?
An hour, whatever. Almost 2 hours.
It's almost 2 hours away, and I'd rather drive there to get a coffee.
Fair enough.
Which is just really sad.
Which you have done.
I have. Also, guys, I got 2 new tattoos this week. That happened. I can't show you them right now because it's too cold to take off a sweater.
A bit later.
I haven't recorded. I haven't even posted about them online because they were free poke, William. There was no tattoo gun.
Oh, interesting.
So less painful.
Right.
A lot more blood.
Fair enough.
But they
But you
heal
will bleed
quicker.
anything, so.
I bleed anyway, so like YOLO! I did learn a valuable lesson though. Don't get both arms tattooed on the same night. It makes sleeping a lot harder because you can't get comfy.
Yeah, fair enough.
It was a poor decision on my part, but I'll link the tattoo artist in the description box in case you're looking for her. And let's go see if we can find some animals.
Alright, see you in a bit.
I already see the caribou.
Female nails.
Good morning, friends. Look at the cheeky little monkeys. Good morning. Talk to me again.
You're now gonna knock it over.
Now he won't do it because I'm recording him. Talk to me.
There it is.
Thank you. Can confirm we saw the lynx with our eye holes, but we cannot find it on camera. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, it's right in the bushes there. But
I just saw his little cotton ball bum.
that's all we need to see.
That's how we know he's real. We saw his bum. Christ. Hello, Mr. Pine Martin. Come back over. I really want him to run up on his rope. Do you have the morning zoomies? Are you running around? Yep, he does have the morning zoomies.
Alright. Sniffy sniff. Sniffy sniff.
You can hear the hawk.
Yeah.
He's not having it this morning.
Yep. That's why you're freaking out.
Good morning. Good morning, Boo.
You're not happy.
No, you're pacing. Why are you angry, bro?
Because it's into my closure.
You're pissed off that the blue jay can just leave?
Oh, actually, I think they're not being so bad. Is there a duck there too?
Probably, yeah,
There's two ducks.
The otter is already gone. I'm so sad. And there was no moose this morning. Also sad. Yeah, so what happened with me and the fucking owl?
If all it is. Oh, there you are. Thank you.
I still think you're an asshole, bro.
Hi. Hi there. you have a nest? Is that where you... No, you should be too early. Oh, you have stuff in there. What were you doing? I don't know. What were you doing? You're the one stupid gets stuck underneath the board.
I'm waiting for them to attack each other. What was the point of that? Nothing eventful happened. I love this one. He's my favorite. There's two in here usually.
Yeah, I don't want public tops on.
Yeah. Just chilling.
Yeah, living his best life.
Lying on the cold, hard ground.
Of course, they also live underground too, so.
Not me, Taylor Swift quoting. That's actually adorable.
Yep. It smells good.
Nice. I want to know what does this smell like? Oh my god, the spoon's actually real. It's like a metal spoon. Oh, all of the things. So guys, that's the first tattoo. I got added the text above the anchor. And then down here, I don't know if you guys can really see that super well, I got Lumos and Nox put on my wrist. So anyway guys, I'm gonna call it a night. I just got back from Alicia. We spent the entire day together and she got a new puppy. So yeah. Anywho, I'm going to call it quits and go to bed, and Kayla's coming over at 10 a.m. tomorrow morning, so let's go do the things. Okay, bye. Hello guys, it's Sunday morning. I'm up, I've gotten some things done. I had bacon and eggs for breakfast. Kayla's on her way over to do laundry. And I've cleaned the whole house since Friday night, and I just opened Animal Crossing on here, and I finally got my Nintendo online account, which is exciting. So a girl was productive this morning. Happy Thanksgiving. How are you guys? Like, what are you guys doing for Canadian Thanksgiving? I'm so excited, guys. I noticed last night Telltale Harbor for St. John's, all 4 shows have sold out. So I'm so excited for the cast and crew. And I'm so excited to be going twice because this bitch needs a few nights out. So I'm super excited about it. And then we also announced a charity concert, which happens to be on my birthday at Mile 1. So I will go ahead and leave a link to the We Stand on Guard Again concert that Chris Andrews from Shanneyganock is putting together and organizing. And by Mile 1, I mean Merry-Go-Round Center. I'm probably not going to upload a weekend vlog this week, and I'm going to vlog a little bit into Wednesday and then upload on Thursday. That might be my plan. And then film again next weekend. I just paid off my house loan in Animal Crossing. I'm so excited. All $748,000 worth. So I'm debating getting the $1 million one now. I'm building a basement. But anyway, I'm going to go hang out with Kayla and be a productive member of society. I need a second cup of coffee. Welcome to Thanksgiving. We're going to Mom's today. We have to run into the mall as well. Tam needs to go pick up an AirPod. She lost one. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Hopefully I will cue some Oracle footage. Oracle came! Say hi to the vlog, bubbies. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi, internet friends. That's 2 puppies in one vlog. I'm thriving today. The D'Amelio Show. Trying something new. Came to the mall. Got undies 10 for $40 and dog sweaters for Alicia's doggo. Why? You're gonna pick right now to have zoomies? You're a mental patient. What is wrong with you? Happy Thanksgiving! We're putting you in here. You're the littlest.
It's so big. Yeah. Making mochi.
The rabbits here run through the woods.
What a night at home. Of course. We're here. Guys, Ari has her underwear on 10 for 40. Run, don't walk. That's all I have to say.
Donnie and Watts rolling out just like the old days, huh, partner? We're not partners. Those days are long gone. Get in. Hey, boss. We've got a problem.
I look like an egg. Good morning, friends, and welcome to Monday. It's the Thanksgiving long weekend, as I probably already mentioned in this vlog. And life's good. I slept in, I let myself get some rest, and I'm now about to take some breakfast. I think we're going to scoot up to Cape Spare around noon. It's 9:43, and life's good. I'm just chatting with Lorenza. We're going to make a coffee, and all is well with the world. We ended up having such a lovely night last night that I failed to vlog after Hudson and Max. We watched 2 episodes of Killing Eve on Crave. And that show's really good. If you haven't seen Killing Eve, 10 out of 10. We're about halfway through season 2, and it's really good, and I'm enjoying it. So, woohoo! Anyway, I'm gonna go make breakfast and check in with you guys shortly. Happy Thanksgiving. Did you guys eat on Saturday, Sunday, Monday? What do? We do Sunday supper just because it's easier. And I don't like big meals like turkey dinner on a Monday night, so let me know down below. What do you guys do if you're in Canada for Thanksgiving? I look like an egg, but that's okay. Thank you guys for watching this weekend vlog. I'm gonna call it. We're home now from Cape Spear, Petty Harbor, and beyond. I gotta unload a dishwasher. I got a ton of stuff to do, so I'm gonna be productive, meal prep, and get it done. It is 2:41, so I'm going to watch some YouTube, then finish the D'Amelio's reality show and get caught up on that. I've got the laundry in the dryer, like being productive. So thank you for joining me this Thanksgiving weekend. Give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you next weekend for another weekend vlog. I love you guys. Bye.